How to plant saffron bulbs. The first thing that you should know is that before you plant it, you should verify that it's stored in the right location. So if you arrive in the end of the summer, here we start in the end of August, September. This one I planted in this year. We are now in October. So this is the beginning of October. You can plant it until December, even January. Depends the climate, depends the conditions that you give it. So if you forgot to give it a little bit the right condition, maybe you should put it a little bit in the refrigerator, not something special, dark, not hot place, just to give it a little bit chilling, for a few days at least even. So this is when you want to plant it, it's every year you take it outside. I have videos that show how you take it outside, and here we put it inside. I don't have a lot of place. In the right condition, you should consider to give more space between the bulbs. I don't have this opportunity. I fertilize a lot in order to to make it better, but it's not really. This is a deal. I don't have another option. This is what I have, and this is what I will do. This is the only locations that I have. I'm very in front of this spice, so I grow it anyway. So I have a few kind of pots, as you can see here. The main idea is that I have baby pots. This is to get all the babies in one location. They won't bear me flowers. It's different kind of fertilizer. And also, if I want flowers, it's a different kind of fertilizer. It's very important to know which kind of bulbs you have. So if you have the ready ones that's gonna bring you a lot of flowers, so you should plant them. There is two options. One is to separate all the bulbs, and the other it's a group of bulbs that connected. As much as I understand, after I grow it like 6, 7 years, I started with 12 bulbs and now I have hundreds of them. Um, so I prefer the grouped group. I don't know why. I think it's give more. I'm not a field. I don't need to sell it. But if you need to sell, so make it separate. Make each one. Fertilize it well. Fertilize it every time it needs. There is a fertilizer that you put in the beginning of the season before it's bloom. It's very important to bloom, to make it bloom. So it's something that you should consider. Again, you should learn your climate that you have in order to have flowers. If you plant it too much late, you won't have too much flowers. You will lose the moment. You will lose the cold. I put it in before the first rains. Again, I live in a hot climate area. This is 10 hardiness zone. It's 10 here. And I think this is quite of okay. This is the conditions that need to be give, and I have collection of saffron. I had collection. I ate all, but I will have again soon enough. And I grow enough for my consumption, so this is okay by me. Don't forget that you have video that explain about the plant, about the flowers, about the bulbs, how to pull the bulbs, variety of climate about saffron. It's one of my favorite uh, spices and it's very expensive, so I prefer to grow it. That's all from growplants.org. Don't forget to subscribe, visit our website, and of course like this video. If you have any question, just ask. Hope you enjoy.